Today, we will collect 5 effective measures to fix iPhone won't turn on Apple logo issue and help you regain control of your device. But first, let's see what factors contribute to this phenomenon. Part 1. Why my iPhone won't turn on past the Apple logo. Software issues. Failed iOS update. File corruption. Jailbreaking. Insufficient battery charge. Physical damage. Water damage. Part 2. Fix iPhone won't turn on past Apple logo by force restarting your iPhone. Force restarting is a simple and effective solution when an iPhone won't boot past Apple logo. Part 3. Fix iPhone won't go past Apple logo via recovery mode. Consider restoring your device using iTunes while in recovery mode. Please note that this action will erase your iPhone, so you'd better ensure there's a backup of the iPhone available. Part 4. Fix iPhone won't boot past Apple logo via DFU restore. Connect iPhone to iTunes. Press release, volume up, volume down. Hold side for 10s, release side. Hold, volume down for 10s, blank screen indicates DFU mode. Get into DFU mode for iPhone 7 Plus. Connect iPhone to PC. Open iTunes. Hold, volume down plus power for 10s. Release, power. Hold, volume down for 10s, blank screen means DFU mode. Open iTunes. Follow prompts for restore or backup. Get into DFU mode for iPhone 6 Plus. Connect iPhone to computer. Open iTunes Finder. Hold, home plus power. After 8 seconds, release power, but keep holding home. If Apple logo appears, release and retry ... in DFU mode, the screen stays blank. Part 5. Fix iPhone showing Apple logo but won't turn on by asking Apple Store for repair. If the previous solutions didn't work, consider professional iPhone repair, especially if it's still under warranty.